folks, welcome to my channel where we do everything here synthetically fun. My name is Vageline and I want to be your favorite wig influencer for the holiday season. Come on, let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl? And you can watch me put her all the way together, cause baby, she slays. Yes, she does. Alright, come on. Let's go ahead and give you all her sneaky deaky details. Alright, come on folks. Let's go. Alright folks, now that I put her all the way together, if you were able to watch my last video, you knew that this was the second unit that I was going to review from Sensationnel Tastee Salt and Pepper collection. Now, this unit is SP Lace number 2, and I got her in the color HL1B 280. So let's go ahead and get into her specs, and then yeah, I'll give you my opinion on what I think on this beauty. Alright, come on, let's go. So Miss Salt and Pepper number 2 is a sensational wig that comes with HD lace, the deep side parting with baby hairs. It's heat safe up to 400 degrees. The back says she's the virtually undetected HD lace, an essential addition to your wig stash, made with heat resistant fiber, available in a bunch of different colors, and you can dress her up and you can dress her down. Either way, this hair is cute and she's hand tied. Now this is what the stock card is giving. She is actually really cute in with the gray streaks in there. Now I was going to get this one, but since the last wig that I reviewed already had the gray streaks in her, I decided to just go with a lighter gray, and I'm not mad that I made that decision. I'm trying to tell you. Back of the card just gives you more information, and then she comes with this little tab which shows you, oops, hold on, this little tab that just shows you all the different colors that she comes in. I think she comes in 1, 2, 3 different gray colors. Of course, standard 1B, 1, and the number 2. And then a balayage copper, latte, key highlight 30, flambage chocolate, and mocha. Now, those colors in this wig will probably look bomb. But anyway, she has the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. She is big head friendly. I want to say she did come ear to ear with just maybe like an inch of leverage. You know, big head, gang, 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 gang. It is what it is. Her HD lace, y'all let me know if it's lacing. I think so. I think so. I think so. Now, she doesn't have much space. If you want to go ahead and pluck and do all that nonsense, she does not have, like, literally the wig tracks start like right about here. So there's like no space to pluck. She is a side part, right hand side part. Am I right, you're left? I don't know. Anyway, on this side. So for the girlies who have an issue with that, that's your problem, because the way she's sitting, she look cute on this side. Anyway, her texture, she is definitely a nice, yucky, natural texture with a little bit of shine. Yes, with a little bit of shine. Texture is just gorgeous. I'm going to turn around and show you what she's giving in the back. Nothing but curls, 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 and more curls. My girl is curling. She is nice. I don't know. I know some people might say because of the gray, she's giving first lady, churchy vibes. But she's still cute and sexy though. Like, would I buy her again for the price range? I would not even hesitate. You hear me? She was literally under $30 with shipping and tax. Would I buy her again? Yes, I would. Would I buy her in this color? You're damn right. Where would I wear her to? She is, to me, a dress up than a dress down type of wig. So yes, I would take her to church or a family function that's supposed to be nice, a banquet, nice brunch. She's definitely brunch material. Oh, she's brunch material. Oh, she's brunch material, baby. When I tell you she's brunch material, y'all. Listen, I actually like unit number 2 better than unit number 3. Now, unit number 3 would be an everyday wig, but unit number 2, you gotta dress her up. I'm sorry. If you happen to like what you see in this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And baby, she top tier bad. She up there. Especially for a synthetic wig that's not even versatile. She's up there, baby. She's up there. You will go ahead and get notified. Alright, folks. Happy holidays. Love ya. Bye. See you in my next video.